Let's break down Wells Fargo's outgoing wire transfer fees as of late 2025. For domestic transfers, expect a flat $30 fee. International transfers are pricier, $45 for amounts up to $5,000 and $55 for anything above that, especially to certain higher-cost countries. These are the base fees. There can be additional charges. Wells Fargo charges a flat $30 fee for sending a wire within the United States. This covers processing costs, security measures, and the operational expenses associated with domestic wire transfers. There are no additional percentage-based fees on top of this, making it relatively straightforward. Remember, initiating the wire online, by phone, or in person doesn't affect the base fee. International wire transfers are more complex than domestic ones due to cross-border regulations and currency conversions. Wells Fargo charges a base fee of $45 for international outgoing wire transfers up to $5,000 to most countries. This base fee increases to $55 for transfers over $5,000 or when sending to specific countries with higher operational costs, such as certain European or Asian destinations. These base fees don't include additional costs like intermediary bank fees of up to $50, exchange rate markups of 1 to 3% above the mid-market rate, or value-added tax in some international locations, which can add $10 to $20 per transfer. This base fee is just the beginning, so keep watching. Beyond the base fee, watch out for intermediary bank fees, which can add up to $50 to the cost. Also, Wells Fargo applies an exchange rate markup, typically between 2% and 4% above the mid-market rate. In some countries, value-added tax VAT might apply, adding another $10 to $20. These factors can significantly inflate the total cost of your international wire. Due to high wire transfer fees, many customers are switching to more affordable alternatives. Zelle offers free domestic transfers, making it popular for sending money within the United States. Venmo provides an easy way for peer-to-peer payments with competitive fees. Fintech apps like Wise and Remitly charge only around $5 to $10 for international transfers, much lower than traditional bank fees. As a result of these alternatives, Wells Fargo has experienced a 15 to 20% drop in wire transfer volume since 2023. Consider a real-world example: a Wells Fargo customer sending $1,000 internationally to Mexico. The transaction incurred a $45 base fee plus a $15 intermediary bank fee and a 2.5% exchange rate markup amounting to $25. This totals $85 in costs, representing over 8.5% of the $1,000 transfer amount. This diagram illustrates the international wire transfer process. Money flows from the sender through multiple banks, with fees charged at each step, including telegraphic, network, exchange, and transaction fees. Processing typically takes 1 to 5 business days. For businesses, the costs can be even more significant. A small California business sending quarterly payments of $50,000 to overseas suppliers faced $55 fees per wire plus 3% exchange costs, amounting to $1,500. With 4 wires annually, this adds up to over $6,000 in transfer expenses each year. This comparison chart shows how different services affect the final amount received when transferring money internationally. As you can see, fees and exchange rates vary significantly between banks, money transfer companies, and other services. The need to compare options becomes clear when you see how much arrives in the recipient's account. Financial experts note that Wells Fargo's domestic wire transfer fee of $30 is competitive with other major banks. However, their international rates of $45 to $55 are 20 to 50% higher than averages from competitors like Bank of America or Chase. Analyst Greg McBride predicts that fees could drop significantly if real-time payment systems like FedNow gain widespread traction. This dissatisfaction with Wells Fargo's transfer services is often directly linked to these higher fees compared to competitors.